3 packs portable charger. It's ultra compact, small size and lightweight to take along, fit in your pocket or backpack. 3 packs chargers are convenient to use for home, bedroom, living room, kitchen, office and travel, hotel, airplane, train and so on worldwide travel. Quick Charge 3.0 compatible with Quick Charge 2.0. 100 to 240 volt 50/60ths of a Hertz input, District of Columbia 3. 6 to 6 volts, 3A. 6 to 9 volts, 2A. 9 to 12 volts, 1. 5A output. Work with all versions of Qualcomm Quick Charge technology, QC3. 0, QC2. 0, QC1. 0. Also charges non-quick charge standard USB-powered devices at up to 3A. Safe and durable Quick Charge 3.0 charger. 4 times faster than traditional charger, 1. 4 times faster than Quick Charger 2.0. Made of fireproof materials and smart IC, trusted quality with UL, CE, FCC, RoHs certified, prevent from overvoltage, overcurrent, over-temp, short circuit. Wide compatibility for most smartphones and tablets with USB port. Supports fast charging for Samsung S8 per second 8 Plus, S7 per second 6, Edge, Edge Plus, Note 4/5, Edge, LG G4, LG G Flex 2, HTC 10, HTC One A9, M9, Nexus 6, Droid Turbo, Xperia Z3, Z3 Compact, Z3 Tablet Compact, Z4 Tablet, Bluetooth headphones, MP3, power bank and many more. What you get: 3-pack Quick Charge 3.0 wall chargers, 24-month product warranty, free replacement or 60 days money back, and prompt friendly customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I will definitely be buying them again.